Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create horizontal border in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheet document file. Firstly, then show the Google Sheet document file. Now create from the horizontal border. Now select from the border position. Now going to the menu option. Now click for the border option. Now for click. Then click for the horizontal border option. Now for click. That's it. Then show the create from the horizontal border in Google Sheet document. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.